Good morning, YouTube. Do you need to change the light bulb in your stove? Did you throw away the instructions on how to do it? Well, of course you did. That's why you clicked on this video. Stay tuned because instructions are coming right up.
Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came.
So this GE unit here calls for a 40-watt appliance bulb. Now, if you don't have your instructions, you might need to remove the old bulb, check for specs on that bulb, and then go out and buy the proper bulb. What we have here is a 40-watt GE replacement appliance bulb. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is unplug your appliance. You don't want to get accidentally fried in your oven. So we're going to open our door. Okay. We're going to remove things like pans and grates to make some access. You can even just lower your grate so to give you access to the bulb. You can see the bulb in here at the bottom. You might need, if you need some light, you might want to wear a little headlamp. This GE unit does pretty good at self-cleaning. This unit was self-cleaned. Could use a little touch-up if you ask me. But I don't have any time to do that. Look, we got a helper today. So, first thing we're going to need to do is, you can see our instructions actually say you're to turn the outer shroud a quarter turn counterclockwise, but we have a retention ring here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grab that retention ring. We're going to slide it off of the shroud. Okay? We'll place that aside. Make sure your dog doesn't lick it because he's crazy. All right. We're then going to back out. We're going to turn counterclockwise and back out the old bulb. We'll open our packaging. Just be careful. There's nothing for you to eat in there. Okay? I know you want to help, but there's no food. Okay, buddy? Everybody say hi to Jersey. Jersey's my little helper. He's such a good boy. Okay? Then what we'll do is we'll take our bulb, we'll put it into the socket. Well, let me give you a little light here. We'll put it into the socket. It's a medium-based bulb. So we're going to turn the socket clockwise until we just start to snug up. You don't want to over-tighten the bulb. You don't want to torque down on that bulb because in the future, if you need to replace the bulb again, if you over-tighten the bulb, it could get the socket, the base of the bulb stuck into the socket, and then you'd have to get in there with pliers. So just snug enough that it makes contact, and you'll be able to feel that, okay? And you'll take your shroud. Well, let me give some light. You're gonna put it back over the bulb. You'll put your retaining clip back in place. Boom. We're done. That's simple. So, what we'll do is we'll plug our stove back in, give power, and we'll see if the bulb works. We'll make sure our dog is not near the oven when we go to fire it up. We'll be back in 1 second after we get this unit plugged back in. All right, what we're going to do to test this is we're going to press our oven light. And boom, we have light. So as you can see, it was that simple. As long as you have the right parts, you can get that oven light up and running again. You could get your significant other off your back. If you haven't been to any of our previous live streams, you might not know that my significant other, while doing Saturday Night Live, keeps pressuring me to change the bulb. So now we've done it. I'll link that here if you'd like to see it. So everybody's happy. Hope you guys find this information useful. If you do, please smash that like button and share this video out to somebody that needs to change their appliance bulb. With that, I want to wish everybody a great day. Thanks a lot. Take it easy, everybody. You want to say goodbye? Thanks for your help, buddy. Say goodbye to everybody.
You're camera shy.
Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.